Welcome back, guys. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest ways to restart your Android phone using buttons or on-screen controls to fix minor issues and improve performance. Method 1. Restart using the power buttons. On many newer Android phones, especially Samsung Galaxy devices, pressing and holding only the power button may open a digital assistant like Gemini or Bixby instead of the power menu. To restart your phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button together for about 2 to 3 seconds. After the power menu appears, tap the restart icon. You'll then be asked to confirm your choice, so tap restart once again. Your phone will automatically shut down and turn back on. Wait a few moments until the lock screen appears, then unlock your device as usual. Method 2. Restart without using physical buttons. If your phone's buttons are damaged or you simply prefer using the touchscreen, Android also provides a button-free method. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to fully expand the quick settings panel. In the top right corner, you'll see the power icon next to the settings gear. Tap it to open the power menu, then select restart. Confirm your selection if prompted, and your phone will reboot automatically. Restarting your Android phone regularly can help improve performance, fix temporary glitches, and keep everything running smoothly. It won't delete your apps, photos, or other personal files, so it's completely safe to do whenever your device feels sluggish. That's all for this guide. Share this video if it helped, and subscribe for more easy Android tips, tricks, and tutorials.